Well, Lords, if it may please the Court, I'm Andrew Parker and my learned friend is Emily Green. We appear on behalf of Chisam Cars, the appellant in this case. There are two broad submissions that we'd like to make. The first, based on the underlying principle that causation in economic tort is distinguished from that in breach of contract. By holding that the respondents' actions were insufficiently causative of their father's breach of contract, the Court of Appeal has misconstrued the nature of liability in economic tort. It's our submission that this is a very different species of liability to the one in primary breach of contract.
There would be no breach without the inducement. Pursuant to OBG and Allen, there is a clear parallel drawn between inducing breach of contract and circumstances in which the defendant becomes liable as an accessory to the breach of contract of another. There are three primary points we wish to make in relation to causation. The fact that the breach of contract and economic harm was inevitable is evidence that the respondents intended or were indifferent to the economic harm caused. A deliberate choice has been made to act in full knowledge of the consequences into the determinant of the appellant, and but for their acceptance of their father's assistance, that breach would not have occurred. It was therefore a wholly causative and necessary precursor to the father's breach of contract, and the appeal should be upheld on both of these grounds.
Just 5 seconds over. Which is